This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Oil and filter change. If the vehicle has just been driven for any length of time, wait several hours for hot components to cool down before beginning the procedure. Open the door and pull the hood release lever, located just above the driver's side kick panel. Slide the hood safety latch to the left, then raise the hood upwards. Press the parking brake pedal down to apply the parking brake. Chock the front wheels to prevent the vehicle from rolling. Place a floor jack under the center rear differential and raise the vehicle. Support the vehicle with jack stands placed at the notched reinforced area of the rocker panel seam on each side. Grasp the front of the cover and lift the cover up until the grommets in the cover are free of the ball studs, then remove it from the engine. Remove the oil filler cap from the valve cover to allow oil to flow more easily. Being careful not to touch the hot engine or exhaust components, loosen the engine oil drain plug. Position a drain pan underneath. Clean the area around the plug, then remove it by turning it counterclockwise by hand and pulling it straight out. Wearing protective gloves is highly recommended. Allow the old oil to drain into the pan. Once the oil has completely drained, clean the drain plug and the opening on the oil pan. Reinstall the drain plug by tightening it by hand, then wipe the surrounding area clean. Tighten the drain plug securely. Place the under-engine cover under the vehicle and align the fastener openings. Install the fasteners. Tighten fasteners securely or to the torque setting stated on the face of the cover. Place the floor jack under the rear differential, raise the vehicle and remove the jack stands, then lower the rear of the vehicle to the ground. Use a ratchet and socket with an extension to remove the oil filter housing, being mindful to minimize the inevitable spillage. Using a clean rag, wipe out the oil filter housing at the engine side. Pull the filter out of the cap. Remove the O-ring from the cap, then use a clean rag to clean the housing. Use clean engine oil to coat the new O-rings of the cap and filter element, then install the cap O-ring into the groove. Insert the new filter element into the housing cap. It should click into place. Install the new filter and housing cap assembly onto the engine, screwing it into place. Tighten filter cap to the specified torque setting. Using a funnel to prevent spills, initially pour 5 quarts of the correct type of fresh oil into the engine, then wait a few minutes for the oil to drain into the pan. Pull the dipstick out of the tube and wipe all of the oil away from the end with a clean rag or paper towel. Insert the clean dipstick all the way back into the tube and pull it out again. Note the oil at the end of the dipstick. The level should be between the min and max marks on the dipstick. To add oil, unscrew the oil filler cap and pour in the correct type of oil. Use a funnel to prevent oil spills. Remove the funnel and reinstall the filler cap, tightening it by hand only. After adding oil, wait a few minutes to allow the level to stabilize, then pull out the dipstick and check the level again. Add more oil if required until it reaches the max mark. Do not overfill the engine.